Hey there, it's Tad Hargrave from Marketing for Hippies. And somehow I've reached 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, which seems enormous to me. That 10,000 people would be interested in what I have to say. But since you're here and I'm still here, here's what I'd like to do. For the next little while, maybe the next week, any questions that you post under here, if they seem like worthwhile questions, I'll make a personalized video answer to you in celebration of having hit 10,000. So if there's something on your mind, there's something you've always wanted to ask me. Now, this could be a personal question. I won't answer all of those. Or it could be about your business. It could be a situation you're in. So, keep it to a paragraph at the most. But put your best questions below. I'll choose some of them, and I'll, over the coming weeks, be releasing my answers to them. Thanks so much for being here. Thanks for sticking around. Thank you particularly to all of you who have liked my videos, commented on them, and shared them with your friends. It makes a bigger difference than you'd think. So many people I've heard have heard about me from people like you sharing videos like this. So if you haven't already subscribed, consider hitting the red button and the bell icon. And if you have, well, bless you. Thanks for being here. We'll see you at 20,000.